SVL75-2, closed cab, air conditioning, heat, radio. It's got brand new tracks on it. It's got a brand new paper bucket on it. It's all the hydraulic disconnect. Very, very nice. Auxiliary hydraulics. We just put the bucket on it. When you pull it down and rinse out the bucket there, Jay, go ahead and jump out. How many hours on there?
1436.
Oh, okay. Very, very nice. Radio, air conditioning, heat. Auxiliary hydraulic. It's got that brand new 110 bucket. Very, very expensive BRADCO bucket. Very expensive. Cost me about $1,850. Me buying, I think, 20 of them. Disconnect windshield wiper, radio, throttle, 1,436 hours. Yeah, 1,436 hours. Hydraulic disconnect. Very nice. You see that here. It's got your lock and the park on, and just turned it off. All the windows are good, glass is good, very clean unit. Very, very nice. new tracks and new bucket.